Please subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Like, comment and share.
Before we proceed, I would like to begin with a small introduction to coding. Coding is also known as computer programming. Coding is how people communicate with computers. Coding lets us create many useful computer programs. To name a few, we can create word processing software, such as Microsoft Word, web browsers, like Firefox, websites, like Wikipedia, or smartphone applications, like WhatsApp. However, most people find that coding is difficult. Do you find that coding is difficult? Well, what if we tell you that there is a much easier way to code? Using this method, you can code as fast as you think. Watch the rest of the video to learn more. Meet Blackbox AI, which is a tool to help you code way much faster. You can start using Blackbox AI by using the link mentioned in the address bar and also mentioned in the description below. With Blackbox AI you can turn any question into code, easily make your code autocomplete, and extract code from any video. You can get code autocomplete for more than 20 programming languages. You no longer need to leave your coding environment to search for a specific function. And you can easily copy any code from any video and paste it into your text editor. To start using Blackbox AI, click on Get Started for free. You can then sign up using Gmail, or sign up using Outlook. Or you can directly type your question, and then click Search. And just like magic, the code will be generated for you. You can then copy the code and paste it wherever you need it. You can also use Blackbox AI with Visual Studio Code by clicking on Get It Now. You will then be redirected to the Visual Studio page. Next, click on Install. In Visual Studio Code, click on Install. Then click on Trust Workspace and install. Now you can see that it is installing. After installation, sometimes we see that it is disabled. To enable it, click on Extensions. Click on the icon. And finally click on Trust. Then you can see that the disabled icon is not there anymore. And the message "The window is trusted" can be seen. To start using Blackbox, click on View. Then click on Command Palette. Then click on Enable Blackbox Autocomplete. Now you can use the features of Blackbox AI. To use the autocomplete feature on Visual Studio Code, just start coding and Blackbox will provide code suggestions every time you press the Enter key. To use the code search feature, just start the line with the comment symbol and type down your question. And then press Tab to keep the suggested code. To use Blackbox, you can either go for the free plan or pay for the premium option.